this collection are similar to diamonds. I am Taylor Olson and I am a model maker at Belwith-Keeler. Today I'm going over the collection of Seraphin. My favorite aspect of this piece is actually the construction that was used in the program. It was quite a challenge, a brain teaser in fact. For me it was the geometry of it, to get angles and surfaces to line up just right, scaling it up, getting everything in the right proportions, just to look really nice. And I think we accomplished that as a group. And it's very high end, an elevated collection, and it's beautiful. With the different facets, it will reflect lights at different angles and really move with you as you move around the room. The finishes available in the Seraphin Collection are matte black, satin nickel, and brushed golden brass. Matte black would look great on white finishes for a good contemporary feel. Perhaps a little bit more masculine as well. Seraphin in the satin nickel finish would look very chic in a master suite.